Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be unboxing Gucci Horsebit Double G Loafers. We are going to be opening it together because it's amazing stuff here and I can't wait to open it with you guys. Just in case you like what is in here, you can go and get yours as well because you're gonna like it and I'm gonna like it as well, but I don't know yet, but I'm sure I'm gonna like it because it's amazing stuff I hold up and I can't wait to open it. So let's open it together very gently, very patient as well. So it's gonna be really cool. So let's be patient because I'm quite excited as well. Very gently, very patient. Where can I start from? Let me see. Okay, let me start from here. Very cool. Oh, I'm quite excited as well. I'm quite like kind of I don't know what to say. I'm quite happy about it. So let's go. It's gonna be amazing stuff here. I don't want to break the box just in case I might still need the box, or I don't think I'm gonna return it back because it's gonna be amazing stuff already. Look here, guys. Does it not look cool, guys? This is really cool. I was not even expecting this kind of box. Look, guys, this is really cool. This is amazing. Honestly, amazing. I'm quite excited right now because look the box. Look the box, guys. The box is amazing. Look, in case you're looking for it, this is it. You can go and find it, and then you won't regret it as well. I haven't opened it, but I know it's gonna be good stuff in here because the box is talking. Look, guys, this is really cool boxes as well. Look at that. I'm just like the box already. I haven't opened the shoe already. I'm just kind of excited as well because the box kind of give me joy. And again, look at that. That one is here. Let me put the card away. It's amazing. Honestly, I'm quite happy. Another box, and then put it inside the Gucci box. Kind of cool as well. Gucci, thank you for what you did. Amazing stuff. I'm happy about this. So let's open it very gently, guys. Mm, mm. Look, guys. This is it. This is have to stay here. Right there. Amazing. I'm quite happy how everything going. Oh, this is cool. A plus. Cool. Look. Open it very gently. Look, the sea, guys. It's a Gucci all over the sea bag as well. So let's open it quietly. Amazing. It's coming out from inside the box. Honestly, let's first leave the box down there. Let's bring the shoe out. This is cool. Honestly, I'm quite happy. Look, guys, Gucci on the bag as well. Oh, really cool. It's coming out. Look, guys, this is cool. This is cool. It's cool. Honestly, it's amazing. Look the tag. Look, guys, this is really cool. Amazing, amazing. Look, this is cool. Look inside, guys. This is really cool. You can see Gucci made in Italy inside. Look, you see? You can see? Can you see properly? This is really cool shoe. Amazing. Very clean as well. Honestly, I'm quite happy I hold this shoe. Oh, I'm quite excited as well. If I take the kind of then put it inside to keep it a bit more kind of in a good shape and very nice shoe as well. Look, guys, amazing, amazing. This is one of the kind of coolest logos I ever got again. Now, the Vivian Westwood logos get another repair of him, so I can change it with these anytime. And I think he will go with my outfit. Does he not gonna go? Yes or no? I don't know, but I believe he's gonna go. I'm happy, honestly. This is amazing loafers. Horsebit loafers. Amazing. This is nice. I'm quite excited. You know when you get it over, you don't know what you're gonna get until when you open it. Then when you open it, you feel exciting as well because what's his inside is amazing, or you don't like it, you want to return it back. But I don't think I want to return this one back because it's kind of cool. Loafers, amazing, amazing. Look the sole and look the leather as well, guy. This is really cool. You would like these. You can wear it anywhere you want to go. You'll be receiving a lot of compliment as well. Very classics as well. Look, very simple and nice. Amazing. I have put it on and I'm quite happy the way the logos look is amazing as well. I'm using size 8, but I order 8.5 because that's what they got in the shop. So, and I don't want to miss the shoe because it's amazing shoe as well. So I'm quite happy as well. Anyway, you still need insole as well inside your shoe. So I put insole in to protect my feet as well. So comfortable because I'm using size 8, but I order 8.5. So to be a bit more smart on my feet. Then I'm quite happy the way it look as well. 8.5 is not bad when I put the insole on it as well. It's all right, it's okay. So I'm gonna put the second one as well on. And again, before I put the second one on, you need to get yourself insole as well. You can get yourself insole and cut it into the normal size. You can put it on size 8 or 8.5 when you hold that 8.5. So when you put your feet in, you protect your feet as well. Just order any, it's just a pound as well. Just order and cut it to the right size, then put it in there, then it will protect your feet as well. I haven't cut tag off. I'll cut the tag off now so you guys can see it's gonna looking really smart as well. So the tag is off. So and I'm quite happy as well the way it look. Very smart as well, very classic. The second one is here inside the box. Look, amazing, amazing. The second one is coming. You guys can see how cool it is. Does it not look cool? It look classic as well. Look, coming out again. Amazing. And the bag as well is very cool bag as well. Very clean. Smell lovely as well. Look, guys, this is cool. There's a Gucci written on it as well. Very nice bag as well. I like it as well. So let's put the second feet on. I like these. These all protect the shoe as well. Whenever you got these, don't bend them. Keep them because it protect the shape of your shoe as well. I never bend mine. I always keep them because they're quite nice. And or if you bend them, you can just find any tissue, put them, fold them, and put them inside because it will protect the shape. Years and years, it's gonna stay the same shape. So you need to do that. You won't regret it as well. So let's go. Let me put the insole inside. Call the insole to the right side. Let's put it on. See how they're gonna look. Amazing. It's gonna be really cool. Not bad. This is cool. Well, I'm looking for something. Okay. Let me just take it from here. That's all right. Amazing. Oh, this is cool. Honestly, I'm quite happy the way the shoe feel. I'm quite looking for the right insole. The one I'm looking for, I didn't get it. So now I found it. Oh, to kind of hide. Let's see. See it going. Wow. That's it. That's what I have to do. Amazing. Does it not look cool? It look nice. It look smart. It look classic. I quite like the shoe as well. Very smart. And it goes with my outfit as well. Very classic. Very smart. In case you're looking for any logos, this Horsebit logos is amazing. Gucci, Horsebit, GG logos is amazing. Go and get yours as well. You won't regret it as well. Very classic. Honestly, amazing. Very simple. Very fresh. Amazing. Lovely. Different vibe as well. This shoe is amazing. The Gucci Horsebit double G logos is amazing as well. Very classic, very cool, amazing as well. Just in case you're looking for any smart classic logos, this logo is amazing. You won't regret it as well because I'm quite happy. I put the fourth feet on, amazing, cool, and the second feet on as well. Very nice, very smart as well. Honestly, I can go anywhere with these and people will give me compliment. On YouTube, they will give you two compliment as well because this shoe is amazing and I'm quite happy as well. Very cool, very classic as well. Honestly, very smart as well. Amazing, amazing. I like it. And I put my sunglasses on to go with the shoe as well. Very smart, very classic, elegant as well. Does it not look cool? It look cool. It looks smart as well. I'm impressed the way everything look. Very dapper, fresh as well. Anywhere you want to go, this shoe it will take you there. You can wear it with the jeans, trousers, any outfit you feel comfortable with. This shoe it will go with it, and people will know you're cool, you're stylish as well. Amazing. Don't forget, press your trouser, your shirt as well, and again, the shoe if you're there here as well, clean them and put them on. In case you don't have the same loafers, the one I just unboxed, the loafers you have in your wardrobe, you can style them with your shirt and with your trousers as well. And don't forget, put your sunglasses on, your bracelet, your ring, your wristwatch, put them on. You can go anywhere. Now, I can go anywhere. Any party, any occasion, I can go and people will give me compliment when I step in because they can see how classic, how clean, how fresh I look. Amazing. This is looking really cool and I'm happy to look. Amazing vibe as well. Very dapper, very fresh, clean, classic as well. Amazing. I'm cool. Honestly, the vibe is amazing. I'm checking myself and again, like, I'm quite impressed that I hold out the shoe. If I didn't hold the shoe, I'll get a bit more no cool with the way I didn't hold the shoe. Now I hold it and I'm quite happy as well because look, does it not look cool? If it look cool on my feet, it would look cool on your feet as well. And again, I'm using size 8 or I hold that 8.5. That's what they go in the shop. You can do the same thing as well. Then you have to get yourself insole. Then you put it in there. Just amazing. I'm giving you guys the tips as well because that tips it will work for you as well because you might get the last shoe in the shop and you can handle them. 8.5 is okay. Don't go beyond maybe 9. No, don't do that. 8.5 or 8, your right size. Any size you're using, just take a bit more half on it. That's cool. Or don't take a bit more 1 inches. That's not cool. Maybe it might be too big, but half inches is not bad. Look, this is cool. I just put the insole on it and it looks smart as well on me. I can go anywhere. I can walk around. I'm feeling cool, feeling dapper, feeling fresh as well. Honestly, this is really cool. Amazing, amazing. Very classic, fresh. I don't know, like this shoe is gonna be really cool. I'm happy. I'm happy the way he look at me. Look at that. Does it not look cool? It look amazing. Honestly, I'm quite happy. Very smart shoe as well. Anywhere I want to go, I'll be wearing this shoe. And you too need to go and get yours as well. Gucci, Horsebit, GG, Canvas, Loafers. Go and get them. You won't regret it because you're gonna look really classic and amazing as well. I'm happy, honestly. You guys can see the second outfit I'm trying to put on to make the Gucci Horsebit GG Loafers look amazing. This is it, and I'm liking the shoe as well. I'm not regretting I holding the shoe as well, and I believe you guys won't regret it as well because you're gonna look really smart, really dapper as well. You can see how cool, how fresh I look right now. Amazing, and I like how everything look very smart as well. Classic. Look. You won't regret this shoe. Go and get yours as well. Gucci, Horsebit, Double G, Loafers. Amazing. I'm quite happy I got this shoe. Even though I didn't get my own right size, I got 8.5, but I'm still happy the way how everything look. I put inside and it kind of look cool together and amazing as well. Very dapper. I'm cool. Honestly, this is really cool. Look, the box and everything, very amazing. Cool packaging and everything. Look guys, this is really cool. You won't regret this as well. The bag, just in case you're going for an holiday or trips, you can put it inside this bag and put inside your luggage and 2 bag as well. So all these, they're all useful as well. When you come back, put it back. And again, you have to take this tissue and put it inside the shoe with you as well. And the second one and the first one, hold them, because you protect the shoe as well inside as well. Look, did I not look cool? I look classic, I look elegant, I look dapper. And you too, you're gonna look really amazing as well. Gucci, double G, LSP, Loafers is amazing as well. I like it. And the boxes as well. Honestly, this is really cool boxes. However I go as well, amazing. I just ripped the box as well because I'm quite excited. Look, I just ripped the box over there. I'm quite happy anyway because it's amazing. Anyway, I can glue them back. It's so cool. Or just tape it back. Amazing. I'm quite excited as well. This is really cool, really classic as well. Just in case you're looking for any nice shoe or kind of any shoe you want to wear for any wedding occasion, this smart shoe is amazing. And you won't regret it as well. Very classic, excellent as well. Look, amazing, stylish shoe as well. Look, this is really cool, amazing. Look, very dapper, smart as well, amazing. I'm happy. You know when you know you're cool, this is it. This kind of the shoe you need in your wardrobe as well, in your shoe case. Look, this is amazing. Honestly, I'm quite impressed. Let me put my sunglasses on to feel a bit more cooler, a bit more nicer. Amazing. This is really cool and classic as well. I'm quite looking for anything I want to say like I didn't like about this shoe. No, because the vibe is giving me, I'm quite happy as well. Even though I didn't order the right size or the size I order, I put inside and it's still look cool. It's still looking classic as well. I can wear it anywhere I want to go. Even though I can wear jeans on it as well, look cool together with this shoe as well. Smart jeans or skinny jeans, you can put them on, or and t-shirt or shirt, put them all together and you're gonna look amazing as well. You see the way I dress it, the way I style it, you can style it in the same way I'm styling mine, or you style it different, but you're still gonna look really cool as well. Anyway, anyhow you style it, people will give you a compliment. Go and watch some of my video and you style your shoe with the way I style them and you're gonna look really dapper. I'm quite excited as well, quite in a good vibe because the shoe give me that kind of good feeling and I'm quite impressed as well. I don't say anything bad about this and I'm quite happy I order them, and you too, you need to order these as well. Gucci, Horsebit, double G, Canvas, Loafers, you won't regret it. Go and get it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video to the novel, family and friend, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you lovely, amazing, coolest, and some beautiful people another day. Take care.